All right, so we're gonna traction here. Gonna give a nice little pull and yeah, okay. Let me show you a bunch of reasons why I would never do that sort of adjustment with somebody. So I don't like using a strap or leaving a towel to adjust somebody's neck, give them that yank, because I don't think it's specific, and I think you'd be more precise with a manual adjustment right on the spot. All right, so if you got a little neck pain, you kind of feel something's a little bit stiff, some simple, ridiculously easy stretches I like to do kind of help with that. It's called ear to shoulder, and I bend my head ear and I hold for about 10 seconds. Even when I do this, I always feel like a little click. I like to switch sides 3 times each side, 10 seconds. That's the first one. It's called ear to shoulder because you're bringing your ear to your shoulder. Second one, ridiculously simple, nose to pit. Same concept. Arm goes behind your back, nose to your armpit, and you want to pull down like that. Both stretches you want to do 3 times on each side, alternating sides as you do it, holding for 10 seconds. It's simple but effective. You get a nice stretch, you might even get a little flutter leg.